for checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. Today, we're doing aluminum bed tie-downs, strap-downs, whatever you want to call these things. We're going to install them in the back of this Ford F-Series truck. This works in F-150, 250, 350, whatever. They use all the same ones in all the F-Series trucks pretty much since 2014 till today. So, let's get to it. Here's the part number for the hold downs. Here's what comes in the box. You get 4 tie-down mounts. These ones are aluminum. You're not going to tie something down hard enough to need the cast steel ones. So the aluminum ones are nice. They have an eyelet for bungees. So you just hook a bungee into the eyelet. Comes with the hardware. Comes with the keys. I'm sure you don't need 4 sets of keys, but it does. And then it comes with the bit for installing the hardware. Each hold down comes with a set of keys. So you just put it in. You're going to turn it. That unlatches it from here. So I'll lock it again. So that's locked. You just turn it. It will unlock. Then this folds up. And you slide it down and you can remove it. And this apparently is a standard. Even Ford ones match this. So the good deal is if you get a different adapter, different piece that can go in, then it still works with all the Ford aftermarket stuff. Whether you buy the aluminum version or the cast iron version, you will still get a steel plate. The mounting plate will be steel no matter what. In your truck bed, you will have 4 of these mounts, pretty much each corner of the bed, and we're going to screw in to these factory key inserts. When you're mounting this plate, you're going to mount the big opening on the bottom, this little hole on the bottom. Start these bolts by hand, and then now we're going to torque them down. Next step, you're going to grab your latch with the key part down, slide it in, and then you're going to wiggle it up to the top like that. Fold in this key part and turn the key. When you turn the key, make sure that it doesn't open because you could have turned it the wrong way. So just pull on it and double check. I like how these holes are vertical because when you put a bungee cord in, you usually just hook it like this or like that. And then this is also thinner than the factory here, which also allows for hooks with smaller radius to hook onto here. Thanks for checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. Hopefully this helped you decide whether or not you want to pick these up. They look good, feel good, they don't seem cheap or anything, so it's up to you obviously. It's your truck, do whatever you want. Check me out on Facebook. If you want to do a video on your car, let me know. And till next time, Renshawn.